Time on page. The amount of time your visitors spend on viewing a page is an important metric that's measured by Google and used with several other metrics to rank your pages. You want people to spend a lot of time reading your pages. You do not want them to go away to another website after spending just a few seconds on your page. If you want this to happen, you need to make your pages look really good, in addition to providing high quality content. With the visual editor that comes with WordPress, you cannot make a page look really good. The WordPress editor is good if you only want to add text and a few images. But if you want to add tables, columns, and more that can make a page look very appealing to your users, the WordPress editor does not enable you to do that. If you want to make a page look like this page here, it will be very hard if you were to try to do it with just the visual editor alone, which is why we use the Thrive Content Builder. There are a lot of other visual page editor plugins, but most of them require using shortcodes and are not WYSIWYG, or what you see is what you get editors. You can create good looking pages with them, but they have a steep learning curve and they are not very fast, and almost none of them are WYSIWYG editors. If you do not want to spend much time building a page and yet want the page to look very appealing visually, then Thrive Content Builder is the best choice. It's a breeze to learn and it's very fast, much faster than the alternatives. Also, the pages built by Thrive load fast. They do not have a lot of overhead. Page speed is another very important metric Google uses to rank pages, and it's essential for pages to load very fast. This is the URL of the website. This is not a free plugin, and it costs $97 for an unlimited sites license. But this plugin is worth buying. I have already purchased and downloaded the plugin. Let's now upload it. The plugin is now activated. Now, there is one thing you would want to know about this plugin. Do not ever deactivate it. That's the only disadvantage with this plugin. The content you create is all within the Thrive plugin. So, if you deactivate the plugin after creating a page with it, the content on the page disappears. The content is not lost. Activate the plugin again and the page will be back. But still, you would not want to ever deactivate the plugin.